Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Walk on. Walk on. Walk plus tier. Water. Walk on water. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, gentlemen. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another half hour of Classic Concentration. We have two very good players. The man on my right is Ken Evans. Lost in yesterday's program in a squeaker. Hurt him.
Well,
welcome back.
You're
going to make up for it today,
I
right?
am going to make up for it doubly today.
Okay, Ken discovered one of the difficulties when you add just one little teeny word too much in solving a puzzle. Mark, as a result, benefited and wound up winning $6,787 in prizes. Mark Petrie, welcome back. He's got a strike against him, so you're in much better shape. You can afford to lose the first game,
right.
But you don't want to lose the first game.
I figured Ken gave me a gift last time. I'm going to try to win this one on my own, I think.
I see. Well, if you do, you could wind up with this prize.
In this vacation, the only ice you'll see is in your margarita glass as you and your favorite amigo dance your sombreros off in Cancun, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Cancun, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Cancun. Superb Mexican hospitality featuring a private Caribbean beach club, fine dining, and entertainment. Furnished by the Crystal Cancun. Alex.
And we will show Mark and Ken where they will find that holiday on our board. That's easy to remember.
All right.
Upper right-hand corner.
I won't forget.
Good.
Okay.
Select first, Ken. 2 numbers.
Number 13, please.
Refrigerator, freezer.
A very useful item, number 20 for the match.
Picnic basket. No match. Mark.
All right, let's see if I can go to Cancun. Number 3, please.
Wild card.
And number 5 for the match.
Easy to remember.
Nice.
Cancun. Where's the other one? Number 15. 3 doors opening up for Mark. Try it again.
Number 1, please.
Espresso and cappuccino making machine.
And a match or a wild card under number 4.
No, that's dessert of the month. Both good prizes. Ken?
How about number 12, please?
Wild card.
All right. I said the refrigerator freezer was good. Let's do it number 13.
Number 13 for the refrigerator freezer. The other refrigerator freezer is at number 16. And
Ours isn't working so good right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Having a lot of warm foods to deal with.
Well, we hear it running all night.
Oh,
It's
I
no
got you.
fun.
Open it up for Ken.
No, I need to see more.
All right, go again.
Number 23, please.
Diamond watches for 2.
My girlfriend wants those. Number 22, please.
Compact disc player. No match.
I'd like to have a compact disc player. How about number 6?
Diamond watches for 2.
And the match for number 23?
Diamond watches for 2. Does your girlfriend know Mark?
And not that I know of.
Oh, well, I mean, you said that your girlfriend wanted those watches, and since they're going into Mark's column.
I'll have to take them.
Good thinking. All right, open it up. Go again.
Number 17, please.
Espresso and cappuccino machine.
And I think that's under number 1.
Is it? Yes, it is. Again, Mark comes through. He was serious at the beginning of our program when he said he wanted to win this game on his own. Let's see what happens now. Try it again.
Number 7, please.
Red take.
And a match and a wild card, or a wild card under number 8.
No, that's the picnic basket. Ken, here's a chance for you.
Well, I don't remember the picnic basket. How about number 4?
Dessert of the month.
Did we see that down at 18?
No, that's a pair of table lamps. Mark.
Number 25, please.
Red take.
And number 7, please, for the match.
Yes. He's got that refrigerator freezer, which, as he said, is a good prize.
I think I'm going to go crazy and hold on for my Cancun holiday.
You've seen a lot of situations in recent programs, though, Mark, where a player has kept the take too long and, as a result, has lost out on a prize.
Oh, I'd
But-
like to go to Cancun.
All right. Open the 2 doors.
Still don't know.
Pick again.
Number 9, please.
Wild card.
How about number 18?
18 is the pair of table lamps. The other table lamps, which we have not seen, are at number 11.
Okay.
Any thoughts regarding the red take?
I think I'll hold on to that for just a little bit longer.
All right. Open these 3 panels for Mark. Pick again.
Number 14, please.
Green take.
And the match or a wild card under number 21?
No, that's the dessert of the month. And so we go to Ken.
Would I remember number 4?
I think you would. That's
And number
dessert.
21.
Yes.
Yeah! That's diggity dog.
Dessert of the month. When you receive the dessert of the month, you put it in your new refrigerator freezer.
Capital idea.
If you
If I can
solve
solve
the
this.
puzzle. Let's see.
No.
Select again.
Number 8, please.
Picnic basket.
Was that at 14?
No, that's the green take. Mark.
Okay, let's see if I can find that picnic basket under number 20
Yes?
and the match under number 8.
That is a match. Now, there's the take. Picnic basket goes there. Is the espresso and cappuccino machine in the right position, or should it be in Ken's side? It's right now. Okay, he's got the refrigerator
That was
freezer and the dessert of the month.
You know, I'm still not sure what it is. I think I'll hold on to this for protection.
Okay. Open these 2 doors for Mark.
A slight misunderstanding.
Gosh, that's a judgment call in terms of when you began your response. Did he begin it in time? We'll have to look at the... All right, they're telling me you did begin it in time. And you say a slight misunderstanding. You may have just hurt Ken. A slight misunderstanding. And that is right. Yeah, you lost out on your take. All right, Mark, go to work at the board now.
Okay, here's the hay. The S in the light is for slight. We get the miss, whatever she is, the miss, sun, deer, ink. Oh, no, stand. Misunderstanding. A slight misunderstanding.
That's all right, you figured it out.
Never saw the stand.
Never saw the stand, it doesn't matter. You didn't need that. Ken,
That's life.
that's a good way of putting it. That's life. 2 strikes for you, some gifts backstage. I'm afraid
Thanks.
that's all we have.
It's
So
been
long.
fun. Thanks,
Good,
Alex.
take care.
Thanks, man. Bye-bye.
All right, Mark, you were right. You won it on your own. He didn't give it to you. And here's what you've earned this time.
A picnic basket, an espresso cappuccino machine, and a pair of table lamps. Frederick Raymond's New Romantic, a melody of clear-etched glass, hand-beveled acrylic, and solid polished brass. Crafted in America, and each a signed original furnished by Frederick Raymond. And diamond watches for 2. Jules Jurgensen's His and Her Classic Series diamond dial watches, elegantly styled, his with 20 genuine diamonds, hers with 10. The Classic Series furnished by Jules Jurgensen. And, of course, the beautiful Cancun, Mexico. And let me tell you, Mark, there's no misunderstanding here. You've won prizes totaling $3,677.
Well done, Mark. And when we come back, we'll see if he can, with the addition of 5 more seconds on the clock, win a brand new car. All right, Mark. He was looking awfully serious during that commercial break. I don't know why. He's got a plan, I'm sure. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Mark, and the clock with 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
Number 1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 8,
no,
8, 5,
no,
10, 11,
no,
13, 5,
Yes.
14, 15,
No.
12, 7,
Yes.
9, 14,
Yes.
6, 4,
No.
6, 11,
No.
15, 6,
Right.
3, 10,
No.
11, 3,
Right.
2, 10.
This time you were just one car shy, which is very good going.
One more win.
One more win. That's what you need. You've got $10,464, and you've got 2 holidays in the sun, one in Aruba and one in Cancun. So that sounds pretty good to me. We'll take a break and come back with a new player after this. Mark Petrie has been on cruise control, picking up over $10,464 in prizes, and now he gets to face this pretty lady. Her name is Carol Dittrich. Hiya, Carol.
Hi, Alex.
Welcome
nice
aboard.
to meet you. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Houston, Texas. A recent graduate of Texas A&M, Gig-'em Aggies, and I've been out here in California for about a year now.
That's a school ring?
Isn't it lovely? This
Boy,
way we can see fellow graduates from across any room.
They have Flash LaRue rings there at Texas A&M. That's very
you. We're
attractive.
very
Your
proud.
hands are cold. You're nervous?
Oh, yes.
Okay, this will help you relax because we'll put Gene and Marjorie to work showing you and telling you about one of the prizes.
Amisco brings practicality to the home with this tubular étagère and round table and chair set, perfect for the breakfast nook. Furnished by Amisco. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. We'll show Mark and Carol where they will find that prize. The dining room set is at 23. Now, in this second game today, we will have just the one wild card. But we have some beautiful prizes. We've got the 5 bonus car seconds. The cash pot is up to $600. And we have a vacation in Florida at a spa. Florida spa vacation. And you go first, Carol.
Okay, I'd love to take my boyfriend to Florida. Let's see if we can find it behind number 1.
Red take.
Okay, how about a match or that single wild card behind number 9?
Red take. Yours, my dear.
Thank you.
Save it
I
for a
think so.
rainy day.
I'll take his shirt.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
No, I'm kidding.
Wait a minute. She starts off talking about, I want to take my boyfriend to Florida, and now all of a sudden she wants Mark to take his clothes
I'm
off.
hassling him.
What part of Texas are you from?
Give me a break, Alex.
Okay, open it up. Sure, I go on the defensive.
All right.
Select again.
Okay, the other corner, number 5.
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, I sure would like those. Let's see if that's behind number 11.
Nope, cash pot. Mark,
Cash pot would be nice. How about number 6?
car phone.
Car phone in the match or a wild card under number 13?
Green take, no match. Carol,
How about a car phone to go in my soon-to-be new car behind number 23?
dining room set.
And the match for number 19?
No, but it's a wild card, so it's going to match.
I got
The other dining room set. Yes, you got lucky, but that's
did.
okay. Luck counts on this program, as you well know. 3 doors opening up for you. Select again.
Let's see if we can open something up under number 6.
Car phone,
God, Carol. Number 20?
gold bracelet. No match. Mark,
Number 25, please.
cash pot.
And the match under number 6.
No. Car phone. Carol, pick up some cash.
The cash pot was number 11, I believe.
See that?
And number 25. This is crazy.
Does your brain go to sleep on you quite often?
I think so. I think
Happens
it's
to me
related.
all the time. Open it up. Pick again, Carol.
Okay, let's try to open it up on the other side with number 15.
Video cassette recorder, also known as a VCR.
All right, mine's pretty old. I could use a new one. How about number 17?
Food processor. Put the VCR in the food processor.
I
Mark.
don't think we've seen either of those. I'm going to go for number 12, please.
Gold bracelet.
And the match under number 20?
Gold bracelet. There it is. That's a match. That's a prize for you. Carol has a red take. She may want that gold bracelet if she manages to make a match. But right now, Mark, you study the puzzle.
Okay.
Pick again.
Number 2, please.
Florida Spa Vacation.
Oh, I don't think we've seen that yet. How about the match under number 21?
Video cassette recorder. Carol.
Okay, how about a VCR under number 15?
Right.
All right, and the match on number 21.
21 is correct. Now, you've seen, if you've watched recent programs, you know so often the players wind up with these takes sitting in front of them. They get wasted.
But Carol doesn't know what the puzzle is, so she'll save it.
All right. Open it up. Pick again.
What's behind number 8, please?
Designer dresses.
And number 24?
His and her mountain bikes. No match. Mark.
Number 4, please.
Designer dresses.
And number 18 for the match? I
His
forgot
and
it.
her mountain bikes.
Forgot it.
Not into dresses, are you, Mark?
No, I don't wear dresses.
Carol
too often.
is.
I'll take the dresses behind number 8, please. And also behind number 4.
4 and 8. That's a good combination. How do you feel about this take? Got a gold bracelet.
I'll take the bracelet.
All right.
Thank you.
Bracelet is coming Carol's way, and coming her way also, a look at the puzzle with these two panels opened. Select again.
I think I have a match behind number 24 and number 18.
Mountain bikes. Study it again, Carol. Are you getting close? One more time. Oh, you won't get a chance to select again. Hands on your signaling buttons. You know the drill. We're going to start revealing. Number 2. Whoa, let's see. Mark was in first.
Hit close to home.
Is it hit close to home?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Oh, boy, will you look at this. Yeah, Mark's pointing over here because there's nothing here. But look at this. Cash, VCR, gold bracelet, mountain bike. Well, we won't rub it in.
No, it's okay.
Come on, let's go to the board, Mark, and you get to explain it.
What a great win that was. Here's the bat, and it's hitting something. It's a hit. The close are for close. The 2 is 2, and the ho and the M is home. Hit close to home.
Get close to home, and you hit a home run on that one. You got in a fraction of a second ahead of Carol, and that's one strike against you, young lady. But you're going to play again. You know that, and
All right.
some good things are going to happen to you, I know.
I
We'll
hope
see you in a
so.
little
Thank
bit.
you.
Take care.
Okay.
All right, Mark, you're going back to the winner's circle to see if you can win a brand new car.
Hope I can.
You came one car away from winning one last time. Let's see if you can go all the way this time after these commercial messages. All right, Mark, let's go for it. 15 numbered squares, 5-0, 50 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
Okay. 1, 2,
No,
4, 5,
no,
7, 5,
right,
8, 10,
no,
11, 13,
no,
14, 4,
no,
8, 14,
right,
15, 11,
no,
2, 15,
no.
11, 2,
11-2 is right.
12, 10,
No,
4, 12,
yes,
9, 1,
yes,
6, 13,
no,
3, 6,
right,
10, 13,
no.
10, 15.
You got it.
Yes!
Team, tell them about this. Big win. Team, come on up here.
Mark, you've just won this Pontiac Sunbird two-door coupe. Features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and cruise control. Furnished by Pontiac, a prize worth over $11,700.
That doubles your winnings, Mark, to $22,216. We'll take a break. Gene, tell us about another prize, please.
Some of today's participants may receive Food Saver Compact. Keeps food fresher longer and prevents freezer burn. Commercial quality vacuum packing for the home, furnished by Food Saver. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Sunbird or Sunbird?
The man on my far left is Mark's roommate, Terry, at UC Irvine, and you would think they'd have been discussing all the prizes that Mark has won, but during the commercial break, they were talking about television makeup. Obviously, we have two future television stars here. But Mark, you were a star today, $22,000 in prizes.
Thank you very much.
Including a brand new car, so congratulations to you. We'll say goodbye. See you next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.